Hello, hello. We're doing goal 13 today, which is to take urgent action to combat climate change and its impacts. Climate change can be defined as long term shifts in temperatures and weather patterns, primarily caused by pumping large amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Climate change is showing up to us as intensifying heat waves, droughts, wildfires, flooding, sea level rise, and famines. It's also showing up, although more subtly, as changes in air quality, more and more species being directly and indirectly threatened, basically the whole Earth system outside of us being pushed to the brink because of how we've been developing. At this point, we have a very good understanding of what essentially needs to be done to ensure that we don't turn the world into an endless stream of catastrophic events. At the moment, all the targets and key actions that all countries agreed on are in need of acceleration. And this is how I imagine the planet is looking at us as a species right now. In terms of ensuring that every country is prepared for climate related hazards and natural disasters, the number of countries with national strategies for disaster risk reduction increased from 55 in 2015 to 126 by the end of 2021. So, definitely some progress there. The integration of climate change adaptation and mitigation into national policies, strategies, and planning is not very good at the moment. We're supposed to be moving away from fossil fuels, and yet new fossil fuel infrastructure is being planned. Regarding the improvement of climate change awareness, an analysis of what's being learned in schools in 100 different countries found that almost half don't learn about climate change at all. Climate change education and awareness needs to be increased. Then, developed countries are falling short of the $100 billion target of investment in climate change mitigation and adaptation for developing countries. Lastly, there is insufficient data on how raising capacity for effective climate change related planning and management in least developed countries is going, so we need more information on that. And that's where we're at with climate action. What are your thoughts on this goal? Got anything to add? Let us know. Let's have a conversation. As always, thank you to everyone that made this info session possible, and see you in the next one.